Today I'm going to make green poha salad for you. Let's go, begin. Welcome to halfToastTV. Today I'll be making very healthy recipe for you.
It's called Green Poha salad.
You'll need these ingredients. Poha. Poha is flat rice. Some nuts. This is sesame seed. Some cashew and pistachio nut and some peanut. You also need cucumber. I will use half of this. Need some cilantro and some mint, and you also need some salt. First is to soak the poha in some water. Add enough water so it can cover all the poha. You need to soak it for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now I will strain the poha. Now add some salt. And you just use a fork to kind of mix all the salt. And leave it for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to roast some of the nuts. The sesame seed and the peanut, I'm going to dry roast them. I'll start with dry roasting the sesame seed. Until it's like lightly brown. Dry roast in medium-high temperature, but you can adjust the temperature accordingly. Next, let's add the peanuts, the ground nuts, and dry roast them. Nuts have been roasted. Let's chop the other ingredients. For this recipe I'm only going to use half of this cucumber, and I'll peel the skin off. Chop it.
Taste. It's perfect. It's crunchy and sweet.
I've already washed the cilantro. Now let's chop it. Right, so I have the cucumber in the bowl. Let's add the poha. Let's add the roasted nuts, the peanut, the sesame. Let's add some other nuts like cashew and pistachio. Let's take the mint leaf and then break them with your fingers. Just add the mint leaf in there, small pieces. It's so fragrant. I love the smell of mint. add the cilantro, the chopped cilantro in there also. Let's bring it, mix it all together. Flavorful, refreshing, healthy salad. Do like 360-degree turn like this. I can smells good. Mixed it well. Now let's serve it in a bowl. Bring a bowl. This is very healthy. Poha salad. Now I'm gonna taste it. It's exciting. So refreshing. It's so good. Our special guest will be here to taste the salad. You like to taste salad today?
Yes,
This is called Green Poha salad.
I know that.
Taste and tell us, what do you think?
Yeah, very yummy. I like the salad ever. I think they before.
This is really good. You should try the recipe. The recipe today is inspired from A Taste of Isha book. So good. The nuttiness of the nuts, the softness of the poha, and the freshness of the mint, cilantro and cucumber is so good. I can't stop eating it. The best salad. Thank you for joining us today at halfToastTV. Please come back next time for more recipes. Thank you.
Bye.
Thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.